If you have one device that you want to use to access the internet, this is a great option. It's better than Wi-Fi, hotspots, or tethering. Inside the box comes the unit itself along with a USB cable. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and put in your SIM card. It takes nano SIM cards. There's a small notch in the corner there that's just big enough for your thumbnail, and it comes off pretty easy. Just be kind of gentle with it. The SIM card I'm using is for a T-Mobile data only plan. It's a tight fit, so be careful with the orientation of the card. Notice that the electronics are down and the notch is in the lower left-hand corner. As you slide it in, you'll hear a little click. Just slide it in a little bit more until it's properly seated. It's a good idea to go ahead and write down the password that's on that little label, or at least take a picture of it. It comes in handy, and I'll explain why in just a little bit. This unit is plug and play for most devices. I'm using it on a Windows 11 laptop computer. And all you really do after you got the SIM card in and the cover back on is plug it in. The yellow light indicates that it's powering up and trying to connect to the T-Mobile network. For the first time, be patient. I had to reboot my computer once and it took 3 or 4 minutes for it to actually connect. The light changed to green, which means it's ready. The yellow light is an indicator of signal strength, and yellow is acceptable. If you're into technical details, you need to get signed up with the user interface. You use the password I talked about earlier. After the first login, I was notified to change it. Once connected, you have access to a lot of information and the ability to make a few changes in the settings.